Ah! Alright, I gotta get on the train. Hooah! Alright, let's get to business. Let's meet the conductor. Alright, stick to landing. Oh, dear heavens! Dagnabbit! I gotta get to this conductor. Ponto! Yo, twin, stop this train. Please! Kane! Oh, dear, we're about to crash. I'm telling you, bro, you gotta stop the train right now. Please! Okay, I think we're good. I think we're fine. Maybe. Ow. Oh, whoa, whoa, ah! Hey, we need to leave. Now. Come on. Vamonos. Damn, twin, you're not looking too good. I think the train's gonna blow. Alright, bro. Come on. Go for that hill over there. You'll be safe. Oh, damn. I think it's actually dead. I can't stay here, though. Come on. Damn. He's cooked. Oh, dear.